So, you want to own a rental property. My name is Garrett Wong, owner of Upper Edge Property Management. Today we're going to be discussing how to force a tenant to make repairs mid-tenancy. Okay, let's say you have a tenant that admits they broke something in your rental property. For this example, let's say they broke the inside pane of the living room picture window. The tenant apologizes to you, admitting they did it, and said they're going to get it fixed. But months and months have gone by and nothing has been done. Their lease is up, and in a few months you're going to be worried that they won't fix it and will try to leave instead. What do you do? Well, let's take a few concepts from past episodes and string them together. Number one, you could give them a warning letter to fix the window by a certain date. If you recall the episode on warning letters, the letter must contain the infraction, the date by which it must be fixed, and the consequence, which in this case is eviction. Okay, so you serve the tenant with this warning letter. You re-inspect the property by the deadline you've outlined in the letter, and they haven't fixed the window. Now you have the option of giving them one rental pay period's notice to leave the property. If they don't leave the property by the deadline, then you have to apply to the branch for an eviction and order of possession, no different than what I posted a few episodes ago. But let's say you aren't convinced you're ready to evict them. Maybe they've always been a decent tenant, and other than this window incident, the property is fairly well kept. Or maybe it's December and you don't want to have a vacant property in the middle of winter, trying to show it in the slowest period of the year. Either way, let's outline the second option. You could get the window fixed yourself. Because they already admitted they broke the window, you can get it repaired, and now you have an invoice. You take that invoice, go to the RTB, and apply for a hearing for a landlord claim. Even though it's not common to have a landlord claim against a tenant while they're still living at the property, nobody said you could only serve a tenant after they vacated. Think about it. You have the hearing paperwork, and instead of trying to find out where they're living, you can serve them at the rental property. No need to pay a skip tracer or a process server. Fast forward to the hearing, you present your evidence, you win the hearing, and now you can go to the Court of King's Bench and get your order to pay certified. Now you have the option of garnishing their wages or bank account while they're still living at the property. So, two good options here. Hopefully you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.